Today's video is a Ikea shop with me. They had so many good things, so if you're interested in seeing everything that I saw, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle videos here on this channel. That includes shop with me's, home organization videos. I'm all about home decor and I'm such a homebody, and so if you are interested in that sort of content, then hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. So Ikea had so many cute home decor options and very good prices. I mean, some of the stuff was only $4 or $5. A really cute cactus set, all kinds of knickknacks that were such good prices. If you want to style with a console, a shelf in your house. Really nice vases for only $10. I love this basket. They had these cute little houses. This is stuff that you can just place on a coffee table on top of a stack of books. This beautiful golden tray that looks like flowers. They had all kinds of little domes. You could buy them with things inside. You could buy them empty. You could make them up yourselves. And I just really love this mantle moment. I mean, number one, the mirror was absolutely beautiful, but the candle holders really caught my eye. These particular ones didn't have a price on them, but I did see some other candle holders that were really inexpensive. I love this little basket for a really upscale toy holder for a kid's room. It could be used to store things, and it's very functional because it's beautiful as well. I thought this water picture for watering your plants was very unique and was only $15. Ikea had a plethora of basket options, I mean even more so than Target, and they were so inexpensive. The range was so massive, like from small to big. Some of them are only less than $10, and then some of them were as much as $25, $30. So lots of options there. I just thought these owls were so cute because my son is really into owls. And then I really fell in love with this chair for like an outdoor patio look. I think it's so cute. It's very low, but I think that's appropriate for an outdoor patio. There's a really beautiful basket for only $10. And I really like these candle holders. The entire set of 3 was only $28, and they came in different heights, which is great. Look at these cute little water cans in pink with the gold candle. I thought these were so bomb. I usually don't really like these small little water cans, but I've been really liking them lately. They're honestly really great for watering a really small plant. This really unique piece caught my eye. I think this would be perfect to go with a console, and it's only $13. I think unique pieces is really what elevates a look when it comes to decorating. And part of the fun is when people see it and they think it cost a pretty penny, you could be like, girl, I got that for $13 at Ikea. I really like this tray for like storing keys or even jewelry. I think these pink drawers were unique if that's your thing. I know a lot of people like these vintage looking boxes, and they were only $7 at Ikea. I think these $8 picture box frames are really unique to add depth and height, and you don't have to hang them. I really love this unique looking bowl. It almost looks like you made it yourself at a pottery shop. I also was kind of feeling this picture a little bit more than the one that I've been having my eye on at Target. I also had to take a cute little moment of this head that changes colors. I wouldn't buy it, but I think it would be cute for like your son or your husband if they're like a gamer or a musician. You can set your headphones on it and it's only $35 and it's a whole mood. This bowl was really cute and it was only $8. They also had a really nice bookends that were very unique and I thought it would be perfect for a bookshelf. They have some really nice, interesting pictures, just different options if you want different looks and not everything to be cookie cutter. They have salt and pepper grinders for only $20. I could be wrong, but I think this is cheaper than you would find them at like a Bed Bath & Beyond. This pestle and mortar was very unique in black, like a grayish black, and it was very heavy duty, really nice, and only $20. I fell in love with this faucet for a farmhouse sink. You don't even have to have a farmhouse sink to have this look. It's beautiful in gold with a white handle. I know it's not very functional because it didn't have the sprayer and all that, but you could probably get a sprayer to match if you have a separate faucet and sprayer hole. But the faucet, let's just have a moment for the faucet. They had hanging plants for only $10. And this cabinet, I live for colors like these. It was blue. I don't even know the name of this color, but I fell in love. It is so beautiful. And the gold accents just set it off. And I might be a little late on this, but I didn't know that Ikea sold refrigerators. I mean, it makes sense because they sell whole kitchens and bathrooms and things like this. But obviously they have appliances and they're kind of comparable to what you might see at a Home Depot or Lowe's or Best Buy or any other store like that. And they were really nice. The thing that I love about Ikea is they put everything on display for you to show you how it can be used, and all the pieces are sold individually so you can mix match things and decorate with them in your style. This wooden tray, I think it was about $40. Very nice though. You can put your decanter on it and serve wine or whiskey or even lemonade. Just very nice for presentation. I really like this serving tray. Obviously it has cheese on it, but you could use it for anything like charcuterie, or you could serve like a pie or something on it. So cool, right? I also really like these hooks, and you could get them for I think $12. They come in pieces, but you can make them as long as you want to by connecting them. I think it would be really nice for like a mudroom moment in your house. If you want to hang them on a wall, you can hang your jackets and backpacks and anything that you like, maybe over a bench. It'd be really nice. I've also been looking for a bar just like this. They had them in brass and black. They were only $8, but they'd be perfect to hang as an end cap on a kitchen island so that you can hang like some beautiful decor like a wreath, some beautiful hand towels, some cutting boards or something like that. Really nice decor moment. I really like this basket for only $9. And then they had these really cute tins. I'm not sure what price they were because I never found it, but it's a set. They're all different and they're really cute to use in your kids' room or in your office. Here's that basket I really loved, and it was only $25. Really great price. They had other really unique baskets. They came with lids. I think this one was only $20, $15. More candelabra options. This one was $15 for the set. Okay, if you are into art or photography or anything vintage, how can you not love this lamp? It was $80, guys, and it's a whole vibe. I also really loved this stand. Oh, hi, there's me. This stand that you can put on a wall, and you can hang purses or hats or whatever you want to from it. Acrylic wall shelves for $15. Perfect for books, perfect for records, perfect for anything that you want to do on them. Of course, here is the infamous Ikea pack set that people use for closets. I really love this bird. It was wood and it was $5. It's so beautiful. I really have a thing for birds. This lamp was pretty cool. You could put like a candle inside. It was only $5 and it's black. And then I really love these ladders. Now, these are less expensive than the ones I've seen at Target from Magnolia. They were $29 to $30 and be perfect for a bathroom to put your towels on them. You can even use them to hang blankets from them. I saw so much stuff at Ikea, guys. I'm probably going to have to make this a 2 or 3 part series. So if you want to see more, drop a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.